I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
An Apple Watch cannot stay actively paired to two iPhones at the same time. This guide explains the realistic options and steps you need to follow. You can switch a single Apple Watch between two iPhones by unpairing and pairing each phone when required. The watch stores a backup during unpairing, so you can restore it to the other iPhone. Family setup is an alternative when you need more than one person using watches. Read every step before you begin switching devices. Make sure both iPhones use the same Apple ID and two-factor authentication enabled. Confirm both iPhones run the required iOS and the watch runs a compatible watch OS. Unpairing an Apple Watch creates a local backup you can restore in 3 to 15 minutes. To unpair, open the Watch app on the current iPhone and choose Unpair Apple Watch. After unpairing, pair the watch to the other iPhone and restore from the latest backup. Keep both phones near the watch while pairing and restoration proceed. You cannot receive simultaneous active connections from two iPhones on one watch. Expect some settings and Apple Pay cards to require reauthorization after each restore. Use iCloud backups and keep devices on Wi-Fi, charging, and locked for automatic backups when possible. If you switch frequently, set up shortcuts and passwords to speed the restore process. Family setup supports separate watches for multiple users without switching the same watch. Follow security prompts and confirm health data sync before relying on the watch for sensitive monitoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.